Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce time with Trello, full guide step by step clearly.
Start by creating a Trello account if you don't have one.
Once logged in, create a new board by clicking the Create New Board button. Name your board according to the project or task you are managing.
Add lists to your board for different stages of your workflow, such as to do, in progress, and completed. Now, create cards within each list to represent individual tasks. To speed up task creation, use the Quick Add feature by pressing the N key when your board is open. For each card, make use of labels to categorize tasks by priority or type. Set due dates on cards to help you manage deadlines effectively. Consider adding checklists to cards for detailed task breakdowns. To save time, use the template feature for repetitive tasks or project setups. Integrate Trello with other tools you use, such as Google Drive or Slack, for seamless workflow. Enable Power UPS that suit your needs, like calendar view or automation tools. Automate recurring tasks by using Trello's Butler feature to create custom rules and commands. Regularly review and update your lists and cards to maintain clarity and focus. Use the search function to quickly locate cards and lists. Collaborate with team members by assigning cards and leaving comments for better communication. Finally, consistently evaluate your workflow to identify areas for improvement and adjust your Trello setup accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.